So in falconry, sometimes you can't find a hunt. Weather's bad, food's hiding, so you have to stage a hunt. You raise animals and keep them so that when your bird is ready, you can come out here, look for the food, and simulate hunts that it needs to stay in good, top, pristine, white condition. So that's what we're doing. The question is who going to see what we're here for? I don't see it. He might. There's no clue where it is. Can you get some food? Go get some food. It's out there somewhere. Did it get away? I'm gonna go find this leg here. The question is, where is the food? Food dropper. I may have dropped the food wrong.
Food dropper dropped
Oh, there we go.
it over there.
Okay. You think you got it?
Yeah, I just watched him.
Mud everywhere.
He's done. He swallowed it.
He's done?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
Oh boy, did you get that rat?